Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Hakeem. Don't forget to share, comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. So, I am doing another video. It's the same. I am doing another video. I am doing a DIY trendy bags. So, here I am doing it again, which I am very excited about this one because I have been on Pinterest and I have been looking on some bag ideas for like inspiration, I would say, and I got something and it came up to my head. And bag, I had this. It's like, okay, it's like a hospital. Okay, anyway, I got this tote bag. As y'all can see, it's blue. This is our old bag, like my mama's and my boys' old bag. We always use this, but yeah. So it's like, yeah, as y'all can see, it don't have the strip on, but I would definitely gonna make one and put it on here. But yeah, so the tote is very trendy right now in fashion, like the tote bag. You know, everyone like using it and stuff. So I'm like, you know what? I think this is good to do this right now. And yeah, it's like the tote bag is tote bag. So my mind by design on the tote bag. And y'all see on pictures like this kind of dark brown and light brown together. And I saw this brown pants that, as y'all can see, I want to think about like putting on the tote bag. That's what my mind is going for, and hopefully it come out good. Like my vision, and it this green bag that I held. My sister, we always use all the time. We play house, and the inside looks good. Like the colors are nice and stuff. This. Ooh, y'all gonna see this. I think it's like navy or grayish color. I would say is light with this purse. Anyway, I'll see y'all in the next clip. Hey guys, so I am here. I am back. This is the next clip, of course, but I want to show y'all that I need to straighten this out. As y'all can see, it's wrinkle. Yeah, I need to iron out, but before like you iron out the fabric and stuff, make sure that you use this. It's premium professional stretch. It's a sprayer. It's a spray where you gotta put it on your clothes or the fabric, make it look new and fresh and stretch it out. So yeah, just saying, like, make sure y'all use this first before you do anything for these. Okay guys, so y'all made it to the end for this video. Y'all want to see the final result, how the bags look like. And oh my god, do y'all see? And I made the strap. As y'all see, from the beginning I say I didn't have no strap at all. Don't mind the inside. The inside is still blue because I really didn't know what to do with the inside just yet. Love it a lot. I definitely will wear this out in public. I mean, if y'all want something like this, if y'all like it, let me know. But I can make some more. I will like to make some more too. If y'all really do like it, you know, I can't sell them. Make like a small business. It's a tote bag that I have done, and I would say I really like it a lot. One of my favorites that I have done. So y'all saw me. I did another bag with the green one. I like it. Okay, y'all probably like, is this done? It's not done. I'm gonna have like right now. I mean, it feels so soft and nice. I like it. I like it a lot. Y'all see it? But I stopped because I feel like I need some more. I feel like I need more of design for this purse. Like this purse need to be outstanding. The only thing I stopped is because this right here got so mad, got so frustrated about it. I just like, no, I keep stabbing myself to the pins and stuff, and I'm like, I was talking to my mom about it. She said, this probably just need to stop and think about it. What you gonna do with this purse? I said, you know what? I am, and I would definitely update y'all about this purse, what I'm gonna do with it. I'll probably do another video with it to show y'all, or probably playing a vlog, something like that. I mean, it's cute. I really like it a lot, but it is not. I need something more to it. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope that y'all like it. Comment down below that y'all want me to do more DIY videos, like do anything with DIY. Just comment down below like which DIY that I should do. And make sure y'all give this video a big old thumbs up because I have been stabbing the needle on my finger and I got scratches and stuff and bruises and stuff. But yeah, I really hope that y'all like this video a lot. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful day. See ya.